Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Breaking news bafethu, i-Kaizer Chiefs-ke ku-second match yayo laphana ku-continental level ku-CAF Confederations Cup izodlala neSimba, i-AS Simba yalaphana eCongo bafethu. Izodlala-ke laphana eLubumbashi. Yes, ike yadlala khona long time ago. Kaizer Chiefs-ke kusaseyama-early stages alaphana ku-continental level izodlala khona, sobona ukuthi izodlala kanjani overall. And then enye into engizokhuluma ngayo bafethu, idrama-ke laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi u-goalkeeper bebathi bayamreplace-a, azange afune ukureplace-wa laphana uNtwari, noma ngithi uNtwari wase-Rwanda. Sikhumbule ukuthi lo goalkeeper lo una more than almost a year engadlali laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke bakwazile ukumnika i-opportunity because ama-coach technically bacabangile ukuthi hayi ithi silokhu njana sidlalise sifake uVuma because bacabanga ukuthi uVuma ungcono in terms of ukuseva ama-penalty, but wanqaba u-goalkeeper ukuphuma. Lokho kusho ukuthini in terms of i-leadership nanokuthi bayaba-respect-a nabo coach nama-decision no-coach overall laphana eNaturena. But-ke asingayiki phezulu bafethu, asingene nayo straight ukuthi utheni ucoach we-Kaizer Chiefs about uNtwari ne-situation yakhe. Uthe izinto ezikanje vele ebholeni ziyenzeka, but-ke uthi bazodila nazo bona as i-Kaizer Chiefs behind the scenes, noma ngithi behind closed doors, but uthe internally yena. Uthi-ke u-goalkeeper laphana uNtwari bekafila confident ukuthi aqhubeke nayo igame, beka-comfortable ngempela ukuthi aye kuma-penalty akwazi ukuwavimba and then asize i-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi lento le yenzeke ngoba uNtwari bekanama-good intentions. Maybe-ke uthi maybe it wasn't good ukuthi angafuni mese ukureplace izinto ezinjalo, but ukuthi lento lena bazoyi-addressa bona behind closed doors as ba-prepare for i-next game overall. I mean, this is a huge thing laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi they can't handle izinto. I mean, it was a calm response mawubheka laphana from ucoach we-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bakwazile ukudila nale situation le, but it shows everything about i-Kaizer Chiefs, i-discipline, i-unity ne-accountability overall. Obviously abafuni ukuthi kube ne-drama ya-public, but lento ayenzile u-goalkeeper laphana unacceptable bafethu. There is no way wa-accept-e into enjena nokuthi i-team engange-Kaizer Chiefs i-accept-e le nto le ukuthi u-goalkeeper bathi bayamreplace but yena akafuni ukureplace. I mean, i-situation kaNtwari obvious could easily divide ilo i-camp ye-Kaizer Chiefs overall, depending on how i-management izoyihandlela i-situation enje. I-drama serious overall bafethu lelo, akusiyinto encane because nabanye bazobona ukuthi hawu kanti la ethimini mawungafuni ukureplace awufuni, awuvele uyahlala ungafuni ubatshele nje ukuthi awufuni uthulele ungababheki nokubabheka. Hhayi, inkinga of the problem la bafethu. But asingeneni ku-continental journey ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs ibuyile kuma-CAF competitions bafethu after I think 4 years bengadlali because bagcina laphana bashawa 4 years 5 years bagcina bashawa i-Al Ahly laphana ku-final ye-CAF Champions League. La bayadlala kahle kakhulu, bagcina bafikile ekugcineni ngoba bagcina 2021 I think last appearance yabo. Amakhosi-ke astrugglile ne-consistency laphana ku-local football, obviously-ke naku-continental ukuthi banga-qualify overall, but manje under i-leadership yama-co-coaches abizwa ngama-assistant coaches, but umuntu owaba-qualifyisa siyazi ukuthi u-coach Nabi bafethu lo manje osuspendiwe, noma kuthiwa uyahamba i-Kaizer Chiefs akakakhiphi i-statement esi-straight. Siyoze sikhuluma amanga amaningi kakhulu, but siyazi ukuthi i-relationship between Kaizer Chiefs no-coach Nabi broken. So I mean, i-CAF tournament is not all about i-style of play nama-tactics ukuthi uplana kanjani. It's about ukutravel bafethu, i-mental strength overall nama-tricks ozowafeyisa, nanokuthi uzofeyisani kwamanye ama-country, ama-environment ongekho familiar nawo, nanokuthi-ke ama-challenges nje i-Kaizer Chiefs ingakwazi ukuwa-survive overall. I mean, asibuyeleni emuva i-Orlando Pirates laphana eCongo yarojwa straight oRevli bakhipha ama-penalty awu-2 angekho bafethu. Kubonakala straight ukuthi oRev bathengiwe. So i-Kaizer Chiefs kaze izokwazi ukudila nawo wonke lama-situation, nanokuthi izodila kanjani nawo lama-situation lawo ukuthi you are playing on the continental level, it is hard because baku-cheat-a straight, abayifihli nokuyifihla into yakhona, ba-cheat-a nje straight. But-ke ngisithemba ukuthi izinto zizoba ngconywana this time around because bafuna ukukhuphula ibhola lase-Afrika bafethu, but hhayi ama-team ase-Afrika nge-robbery ayarobha bafowethu. They wanna win by all means necessary. So badlala ne-AS Simba, i-team e-tricky ngempela bafowethu. Obviously ayifani no-TP Mazembe ukuthi super famous, but-ke ku-home ground yabo laphana eLumbumbashi-ke kuzoba intense for i-Kaizer Chiefs, kuzoba hostile ngempela. Ama-environment ngempela lawa azo-test i-character le-Kaizer Chiefs nanokuthi bona bazokwazi ukukhompyutha on the continental level. Babone against i-team yase-Angola, then I question ukuthi okay, will Kaizer Chiefs be able to compete on the continental stage? I ask this because ba-too reactive, abakwazi ukuhandlela ama-tricks walabantu laba, because sometimes bafuna uku-frustrate ukuthi nithola ama-yellow card unnecessary, kanti ezinye izinto uma bezenza kumele nizithulele nje nibabheke, cause and then uRevli will take charge and then uRevli uzodecide ukuthi igame imanejwa kanjani overall. I mean, i-threat ilokhunjana i-AS Simba yakhona, but-ke make no mistake, obviously-ke i-physique uma ubabheka abantu bakhona banomzimba, ba-fast and bayathanda ngempela uku-attack-a kuma-direct transitions, and baziwa ngokupressa vele high kuma-opening minutes. I-team le abazodlala nayo i-force ngempela ukuthi ama-defender enze amaphutha. I-Kaizer Chiefs i-defense yakhona ngeke uyithembe 100% because siyazi ukuthi banamaphutha abo bafowethu, but-ke sobona ukuthi laphana, because I think the coolest thing about Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi first leg bayidlala away le-Congo and then second leg bayidlala ekhaya. So second leg kumele ngempela bazame ukwenza izinto zenzeke, babone ukuthi badila nayo kanjani overall. Kunama-player okumele bawabheke laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, I mean oKalala, oBanza laphana, okaTompa, leya team leya, abantu ngempela bangakwazi ukudicide izinto, nanokuthi abazobahlupha kakhulu kuleya game le. Bazozama ukusebenzisa i-home advantage. Kaizer Chiefs kumele i-prepare for i-chaos ye-game, nanokuthi-ke they will be tested mentally, njengoba bengishilo ukuthi it's not about just ukudlala nje kuphela, but it's just about the mental game. Bazozama ukuza nama-trick, but Kaizer Chiefs nayo inama-key players wabo bafowethu. But Kaizer Chiefs ngama-key players awukho sure ukuthi kuzodlala bani, but banoLilepo one-experience kakhulu, uyalazi ibhola laseCongo. Kumele abanike ilokhunjana, abatshele laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs what to prepare, what to expect, maybe physique yakhona overall ne-game model yabo, because obvious une-intel, uyazi kangcono i-team yale la abuya khona. Abanye singababheka maybe uGustin Sereno because ujwayele ku-continental level. Let's hope by the time konje uMayo bazobe sebamrejistile, if ngeke kube nama-delays, vele sebamrejistile ku-continental level, nawe udlalile e-Africa, so uzokwazi ukuba-advise overall nanokuthi ba-expect-eni against i-team yalaphana eCongo. It's not gonna be an easy game. uMduduzi Shabalala, the intensity kumele bayijwayele. Before ngivala nje into engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo, sibuyele kule nto le kaNtwari. I mean ilokhunjana, I mean i-test of i-character overall lana phana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi i-leadership yayo izodila kanjani nale chaos le ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ukuthi abanye abantu abafuni uku-replace, abafuna ukuhlala ngenkani. Uzobona ukuthi bazomdisciplina kanjani laphana uNtwari, bamnika i-chance ukuthi adlale and then yena uthathela ama-decision wakhe. I mean uNtwari funny enough uyawazi ama-conditions wase-Africa, nanokuthi-ke ama-player noma i-team yakhe ingadlala kanjani ukuthi iye far from ku-tournament. I-physique intensity uyijwayele because u-number 1 walaphana eRwanda, so uyadlala nalama-teams lawa wase-Africa isikhathi esiningi bafowethu. So enye intel kumele bayithathe kuye just nje ukuthi babe ne-structure esi-right, but njengoba uNtwari ekubonakala ngathi ngeke, I don't think uzodlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs going forward. I-relationship le-Kaizer Chiefs could be broken after le incident leya la i-Kaizer Chiefs eshaye khona i-Stellenbosch angafunanga ukuthi bamreplace, but-ke sobona overall ukuthi bazoyihandlela kanjani, nanokuthi o-coaches by the time isibuya ku-international break bazobe basasekhona, or i-Kaizer Chiefs izobe seyidicide ukuqasha omunye ucoach laphana. Kaizer Chiefs laphana at the back bafethu siyazi ukuthi bazoba noKwinika no-Inacio Miguel, because if bafuna i-physique overall, nanokuthi bakwazi ukucontrol-a i-game from emuva kuya phambili. I mean ama-strategies-ke uKaizer Chiefs ekumele bawa-avoid-e ama-long balls. I think ku-continental level bayaskwera ibhola kakhulu bafethu. I-height-ke kuzoba i-advantage-ke yabo abantu baseCongo because banomzimba bane-height compared to ama-player wase-South Africa. Yeah, kuzoba nzima kakhulu bafethu. This is not just i-match nje kuphela Kaizer Chiefs but-ke balwela ukuya kuma-group stages of i-CAF Confederations Cup. Sobona bafethu overall ukuthi izinto ze-Kaizer Chiefs zizohamba kanjani nanokuthi bazozisolva kanjani izinto behind the scenes. Cela ukubamba lana okwamanje. Danko bafethu. Cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Making sure ukuthi le page lifika kubani ku-15,000 subscribers. Danko.